Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. What are you reading?
It's a novel about adventure. I love reading stories.
That sounds interesting. I like adventure stories too. What's the story about?
Well, it's about a brave explorer who travels to far-off places and discovers hidden treasures.
Wow, that sounds exciting. I should check it out sometime. By the way, have you been to the new cafe that opened downtown?
Yes, I have. It's really nice. They have delicious coffee and pastries.
That's great to hear. I love coffee. Do they have any special flavors?
Yes, they do. I tried their caramel latte, and it was amazing.
Caramel latte. Got it. I'll definitely try it. How about this weekend? Would you like to go there together?
That sounds like a fun idea, David. I'd love to.
Great. How about Saturday afternoon?
Saturday works for me. Let's meet there around 3 o'clock.
Perfect. I'll see you on Saturday at 3. Thanks for the coffee recommendation, Sarah.
You're welcome, David. I'm looking forward to it. Oh, and by the way, don't forget your book. You can read it while enjoying your coffee.
You know me too well. See you on Saturday, Sarah.
Hi there. Looks like we're both shopping for groceries today.
Yes, indeed. It's always a busy place, isn't it?
It sure is. Do you come here often?
Yes, I do my grocery shopping here every week. How about you?
I come here once a week too. Got to stock up on food for the week.
Looks like you have a lot of fresh vegetables. Do you enjoy cooking?
I do. Cooking is a hobby of mine. I find it relaxing and fun. How about you?
I like cooking too, but I also enjoy trying new restaurants in town. Have you been to the new Italian place downtown?
Not yet. Is it good?
Oh, it's fantastic. Their pizza and pasta are delicious.
I'll have to check it out. Thanks for the recommendation.
You're welcome. By the way, do you have any favorite recipes you'd like to share?
Well, I make a mean spaghetti carbonara. It's simple, but everyone loves it.
That sounds amazing. I'd love to try it sometime.
Sure thing. We should plan a cooking night soon.
That sounds like a great idea, Mark. How about next Friday?
Next Friday works for me. What time should I come over?
How about 6:30 in the evening?
Perfect. I'll bring the ingredients for spaghetti carbonara.
Great. I'll prepare a salad. It's a date, then.
Hi, Emma. How's it going?
Hi, Tom. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well too. The weather is so nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's a beautiful day. I love spending time in the park.
Me too. Hey, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. I was thinking of doing something fun. How about you?
That's great. I was hoping to go to the beach. The weather is perfect for it.
The beach sounds wonderful. I love the beach. What day were you thinking?
How about Saturday morning? We can pack a picnic and relax by the sea.
Saturday morning works for me. What time should we meet?
How about 10 o'clock a.m.? That way we can beat the crowds.
Sounds good. I'll bring some sandwiches and fruit for our picnic.
Thanks, Emma. I'll bring a beach umbrella and some sunscreen.
Perfect. It's a plan then. I can't wait to enjoy the sun and sand.
Me neither. It's going to be a great day.